How to manage photo tagging on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage photo tagging on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and go down to settings and privacy. Now right here you will find a few options. Choose the fourth one, it's privacy and safety. Now choose the first one again, it's audience and tagging. And here you will find the photo tagging option. Click on it and choose uh, the option that you want. There is anyone can tag you, or only people you want, only people you follow can tag you, or you can turn it off like this. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.